First possession ay sa Team Diesel. Nawalang bola kay number 12, nakuha ni number 8. Number 8 to number 11. Short ang tira, rebound by number 20. Team Diesel. Number passing miscommunication to number 2.
Bukas ka kamay ka nga.
And ang team Rollin. Team Rollin number 10 forcing the offense. And that's a foul. Out of bounds lang, walang foul. Drop pass, nakuha ng Team Diesel. Team Diesel, number 18. Number 18 to number 2. Number 23 setting up the play. As Luwang, man ako ni number 10. Number 10 to number 11. Nagpapadali yan. Pinasa, kape. Walang bola.
Gandahan mo kung
out of bounds. Number 23 pulls a 3. 3-point. Number 29 to number 8 to number 40. Overshoots, rebound by number 8. And a steal by the Team Rolling. Number 29, pass to number 14, floater shot, puts it in. Number 23 to number 18 to number 2, pass to number 20 in the paint, Naipit, forcing the offense, one goal, rebound by number 10. Number 10 to number 29. Number 29 penetrates to number 14, and a score. Team Diesel number 2 pulls a 3, overshoots, rebound by number 8. Rolling against number 23, Vates finds number 10 in the paint, penetrates, one goal, rebound by the Team Diesel. Butik na mawalang bola ng kupa niya ni number 23. Passing to Roman, nakuha ni number 14 to number 11. Number 11, no look pass to number 10, basket is good. Ayan na, ang number 23, ibinasakay, there's a foul committed by number 8. Number 18 to number 2. And the shoe. And that's a foul. Committed by number 80. First personal foul. Number 11 to number 10. Number 10 forcing one goal, rebound to number 40. Number 14 finds number 29. Number 29, floater shot, puts it. Latrun, substitution.
Baka mawala bola na.
Ang ating score ay 8-3. Magandang gabi sa ating mga fans and visitors. This is a battle between the youth division, Team Diesel and Team Rollin. We are still on the elimination round. Ako yan, number 0, lumipad na. And there's a foul committed by number 13, number 17.
Kalika dito. Akit ka mo. Ha?
Number 10, number 0 will be the line for his bonus. Mintis ang unang tira.
3 pa lang dito. 8-3.
Second one is good. 9-3 in favor of the blue. Number 3 setting up the play
Leg bola dyan.
against number 0. Number 3 skill. And there's a foul committed by number 3. Libre. Number 0 for the 3. Short, recovered number 26, rejected. Out of bounds. Number 12 fakes traveling violation.
Dito ka lang.
Number 17 setting up. Naipit na one ni number 3. Number 3 behind the back floats. Puts it in. Number 5. Tumira ng 3 si number 0. Wee! And si number 3 to number 1 at the baseline, forcing the offense. But there's a foul committed by number 88. Number 88, first personal foul.
Baka gumulong doon.
Sablay ang unang tira ni number 1. Second one is good. And it's number 5 from Team Rolling. Finds number 12, burning the arc. Short ang tira na recovered by number 26. Finds number 12, flies short. Defended by the Team Diesel number 1. Lumipad na yan. Puts it in. And a steal by the Team Diesel. And a see number 3. Basket is scored. Timeout rolling. Score na rin. Roll 10. Baba sa dalawa. Kalamangan ng rolling. Basketball game tayo. Team Rolling versus Team Diesel. Ang ating score, 12-10 in this first quarter. 2 minutes remaining. Number 5 pulls a 3. Airball, recovered number 12, fakes, floats, 1 go. Rebound by the Team Diesel to number 26. Number 12, wala pa rin yan. Nakuha na ng Team Diesel and a steal by number 26. Number 26. Number 5, number 26. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 17. Number 17 to number. Next steal by number 12. Drop pass to number 0. Back to number 12. What a beautiful communication by number 12 and 0. Number 1, crossover, penetrates, nice kilan, recovered. Sablay ang tira ni number 77, finds number, and a score! Too fast, too quick. And a steal! Number 0, air ball. Number 3, penetrates. One goal. Rebound nga ng Team Diesel, number 0. Wala pa rin yan. Same ball possession. Number 12, turning the arc for the 3. In and out ang bola. Rebound by the Team Diesel. Team Diesel. Number 22 to number 1. Fakes. Puts it in. Beautiful layup by number 1, number 88. Wala yan. Rebound by number 77. And a steal by number 26. Number 26 the number. Wala. Natin sa first quarter, ang ating score, 16-12. Team Diesel are down by 4. Binabati ko lahat ng nanonood ngayong gabi. Magandang gabi ho sa inyo lahat.
Saan ba yung kalaban ng gray? Saan ba yung blue? Blue?
Team rolling, fakes. Baseline shot, overshoots. Rebound by number 40. Number 14 to the baseline. Low. One goal. Rebound by number 22. And number 22 to number. Finds a Roman. Recovered number 22. Fakes in the paint. Finds number 20. Pulls. Short. Rebound by number.
Hindi pa. Dalawang game pa.
Number 11, inbound on the ball for number 29. Number 29, no look pass. Number 14, nawala ang bola. Ano ko yan ng Team Diesel. Pass to number 22. In the paint, twice number. Baseline, but a foul by number 8.
Saan yung blue?
Number 12 will be in the line. First free throw is good. Second one, wala yan. Rebound na yan ng Team Rolling. Team Rolling, number 29. Penetrates behind the back pass. Puts it in by number 8. Beautiful baseline shot. The nice isolation by number 26. Rebounds. Number 23. Ayan na si number 29. Forcing the offense, but there's a foul committed by number 23. Number 23, second personal foul. Yan na si number 11. Number 11, setting up the play. Finds number 29. Hesitates. No look pass. Recovered. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. 7 seconds shot clock. 7 minutes 35 in the second quarter. Number 10 floats, but there's a Foul committed by number 3. Number 3, second personal foul. Ang ating score, 16-18 in favor of the blue. Ayan na, sumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound ni number. And ang Team Diesel, number 23, setting up. Looking for an open man. Beyond the arc shot. Air ball. Number 11, drop pass. Nakuha ng Team Diesel yan. Long pass number 12. Libre na. Sabla yung tira. Rebound number 11. Number 11. Couldn't get his composure. Pass number 10. Rejected. Out of bounds. Well defended basketball by the Team Diesel. Number 29, inbound the pass. Walang ball, recover number 14, baseline shot. Puts it in. Number 3, to number 23. Finds number 12 in the paint. Puts it in. And number 11. Out of bounds. Single possession. Score natin, 20-18 in favor of the blue. Drop pass to number 14, naipit. Forcing the offense, one goal, rebound by number 22. Number 22 to number. Lumipad na sa number 3, sabla yung tira. Number 8, drop pass to number 10. Basket is good.
Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Platon kayo, Platon.
Number 23, back to number 3. Fakes, hesitates, floats, forcing the offense, one goal. Recovered. Baseline shot, puts it in. Time out. Substitution pala, substitution. Platon yan, Platon, substitution. Pasok, 5.
Mamaya?
Ayan na ang team. Roll in difference si number 12. Basket is good. Score natin 24-20. Lamang pa rin ang blue. Ayan ang Team Diesel. There's a foul committed by number 26. Number 1 at the baseline, and it's good. 2 points. 3 points by number 3. Number 1. And it's number 17. Score natin, baba sa isang kalamangan ng Rollin. And it's number 1. Number 1 still. Pass number 7. Nawala ang bola. Steal by number 1. Number 1 ulit. Penetrates, floats. Basket is good! Change favor tayo. Lamang na ang gray. Number 26, naipit. Nanito si number Fakes number 88. In and out of bola. Walang bola. Single possession tayo. Inbound na ball number 26. Pass number 12. Libre. Basket is good.
James Flavor.
James Flavor na naman. Balik sa alamangan ng blue. Wala na. Naipit si number 17. Wala na pamagasahan. Nakaiba si number 1. Libre. Open 3. Puts it in. 3. Nainit si number 1. Number 88 spins. Traveling violation. Balik ang alamangan sa kulay gray. Team Diesel. Idol, upo po tayo sa bench yan. Pakimonitor na rin ang score ha, bawat team. Pakimonitor. May representative kayo. Tumitingin yung score. Ayan na si number 26. Number 26 finds number 0. Libre na. Basket is good. Deadlock na tayo. 28 all. 3 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Sila na naman. Team rolling number 5. Puts it in. We only have 2 minutes 51 seconds left in the second quarter.
Mabilis lang yan. Doon sa taso.
Our next game for tonight will be the Legend Division Buentrans versus Batya Selections. And our last game for tonight will be between St. Francis and Team Hoopers. And this time is brought to you by Fridays and Chicken Joy ng Bayan and all the honorable sponsors. Number 17 setting up the play against number 0, naipit, muting na may silan, nakaiskila ni number 0 yan, number 5, libre, pinasa ka number 0, wala, rebound ni number 1, number 1, naganda ng hustle play, nawala ang bola, save the possession. Number 1, Seal. Looking for another man, finds number 17, fakes, in the paint, floats, puts it in. Deadlock na naman tayo sa 30. 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Number 5, looking for an open man, finds number 0, beyond the shot, short, rebound by number 17, nice kila, number 88. Sablay, put back shot by number 12. Steal na naman yan ng team rolling. Nakuha ulit ng Team Diesel. Team Diesel, and there's a foul. Committed by number 26. Number 26, second personal foul. Number 1. Elbow ng tira, number 1. Number 5. Finds number. Sablay ang tira. Nakuha ka ng Team Diesel. Number 18, number 17, back number 18, baseline shot. Puts it in. That is number 5. Number 5, finds number. Short ang tira. Nakuha ng Team Diesel. Team Diesel nagawa. Si number 12, pinasa kay number 88. Basket is good. That is number 17. Challenged by number 12. And a steal by number 12. Number 12. That's the number 0. Short recovery, number 88. Timeout, Diesel, 36-32 in favor of the blue. 36 seconds lang tayo in the second quarter.
Dalawang games pa.
As number 17 to number one against number 12. Number one, baseline shot, puts it in. 17 seconds.
Buzzer na lang.
Buzzer na lang maririnig nyo. Tumira ng press, sablay. Rebound. The Team Diesel. 5 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. And that ends the second quarter of this game. Our score is 34 in favor of the blue. Team New Orleans. Team Rollins, Captain Ball. Idol.
May balance pa kayo. 300. Sige, i-Gcash mo na lang. Idol! Idol! 1.5 lang to. 1,000 lang to. Ako, 1,000. So, meron pa kayo 600.
Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Bola ng Team Rolling. Steal yan. And there's a foul. Who's foul rep? The 10. There's a foul. Sablay ang una. Pangalawang pagbubuslo, sablay pa rin yan. Wala ng Gray. Sablay ang una. Yan na si number 29. Move na si number 12. And there's a foul. Committed by number 8. Number 8, third personal foul. Wala na tayong platoon, mandatory sub na tayo. Kahit sino pwede pumasok. Sablay mo ng tira ni number 12. Set free throw is good. Kasi number 11, setting up the play, finds number 14. Pulls it three, overshoots, rebound by number 22. Number 22, well pass to number 3. Malakas ang tira, nakuha na number 14. Binasa kay number. Pass to, or steal. Recovered number 14, baseline, perimeter. That is good. Diesel, lakas ang tira. Number 11. Number 11 to number 14. Tumira ng dos. Received by the team. Rolling. Daking mama. And it's good by number 10.
Time out daw.
Timeout, Diesel. The score 42-35. Lamang pa rin ang alright, back to the ball. Alright, mga bata, mga pogi. Labas kayo sa court. Natama kayo ng bola dyan. And then keep rolling number 10 in the paint. That is good. Yan ang Team Diesel. Number 29. Number 29 to number 3. Back to number. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Fades. Penetrates. Finds number. Wala. Ball out of bounds. Substitution.
Ilan pa daw time out nila?
Kaya na mga team rolling. Umira short, recovered number 14. Wala pa rin doon, recovered baseline shot. Puts it in, number 12. Grab pass number 1. Balitkar. Number 22. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Penetrates and it's good. Number 8 fakes the 3. One down. Nakuha ng Team Diesel. Team Diesel number 3. Forcing the offense. Basket is good. Number 8, baseline shot, puts it in. And a steal by the team, rolling. Number 14, floater, short, recovered. Pass to number 14 in the paint. Basket is good. And now Team Diesel. Team Diesel, number 23, finds number 1. And a steal by number 12. Ayan na si number 29. Pass to number 14. Tumira ng press. Wala. Rebound number 3. Number 3, wala bola. Bola pa rin yan ng Diesel. Number 18, Bonner Boss, number 29. Back to number 8, Wilson Trey. Short ang tira, rebound ni number 12. And there's a foul, substitution. Substitution. Number 14, first personal foul. Substitution, pasok na. That is number 12. Legario, number 3. Setting up the play. Pass to, nice nila, ni number 14. Number 14. Pass to the Diesel team. Nakuha ni number 23. Penetrates. Basket is good. And basketball. Foul number 26. Number 23 will be in the line. Will be awarded for a bonus shot.
Third personal foul.
Jersey number 26, third personal foul. Serve bonus shot, number 22. Ang ating score, 42-50. Nakaulit lang, Team Diesel. Team Diesel, number 1, baseline shot, puts it in. Ipinasa, libre ng kakampi. Number 6, puts it in. Ayan ang Team Diesel. Rejected. Number 14, Fates, puts it in. Sampo na ang kalamangan ng Rolling. Yan na, libre na ang Diesel. Lumipad. Basket is good. Balik sa walong kalamangan ng Team Rolling. Number 29. Number 29 steal. Penetrates. Pass to the wrong man. Miscommunication pass. Number 23, tumira ng 3. Malakas ang tira. Nakuha ni number 26. Number 26, number 12.
Sap daw, sap.
Number 12. Number 29. 1 minute 57. 7 seconds to shoot. Rejected. Number 2, substitution. Foul number. Number 12, this foul.
Ano tayo nagsimula? Alas 8 may dito. Kasama ko. 8:30 lang, wala pa 30 minutos.
Basket is good for number 26. 55-46 ang ating score. 7-1, 1 goal. Umapak sa linya.
Violation, bawal tumawid. Bawal yung techniques.
Setting the line. And a steal by the Team Rolling. Number 0. Tumira ng press, number 5, bye-bye. Recover by number 26. Basket is good. Ngayon ang Team Rolling, naisilan ulit. Naganap ng kakampi, nakuha ni number 1. Number 1 behind the back. Dribble na iwan ng dalawang kakampi. Dapat 3. 5 na iwan. Nakuha ni number 23. Number 23, step back. Walang tira. Here is number 26. Puts it in. And score, 59-46. Number 12, forcing the offense. And followed by number 5. Penalty situation, ref.
Ano po? 55 tapos.
First attempt, supply. Second one, wala pa rin yan. Same ball possession. Injury timeout. Substitution na yan. Palitan mo na. Number 3 is in. Kasi number 1, nawalang bola. Nakuha ng team Rolly. Number 0, Donondo. Puts it in. Time, 38 seconds in this third quarter. Legario setting up the play, looking for an open man, finds number 1. For the 3, short. Rebound by the team Rolly, number 5, Donondo. And a steal by the team Diesel, number 17. Libres, and number 18. Basket is good. Number 12. 10 seconds. Buzzer na lang maririnig nyo. Libre na. Wala ka rin. And that ends the third quarter of this game. We're now in the last quarter. Lamang pa rin Team Rolling 61-48 in favor of the blue. Magbihis-bihis na ang susunod na maglalaban. Buentrans versus Batya selections from the Legend Division. And we still have one last game for tonight. St. Francis versus Team Hooper. Alright, back to the ball game. We are now in the last quarter of this game between these two incredible teams. Diesel and Rolling. Here's number 11. Number 11, setting up the play. Trap pass number. Basket is good. Libre. Sa ilalim sa number 88. Number 1. Number 1. House of play and a steal. Tulog yan ang Team Diesel. Libre si number 1. Short pa rin ang tira. And there's a foul committed by number 1. Number 1, Chris personal foul, number 11. Pass number 88, Camila, short. And there's a foul committed by number 6 is foul. Number 26. Number 26 is foul. Number 26 warning to graduate. Kaya na ang team. Diesel number 1. Tumira ng press. 63-51. That is number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Traveling violation. It's number 23. Number 23 against number 26. Number 23. Ipinasa ng Sulan. Is steal by number 11. Number 11. No look pass number 20. Out of bounds.
Panoorin mo siya paano nila maglaro para matuto. Pag ganyan ka ng kalaki,
As in number 17. Number 17. Hesitates. Finds number 12. Get back. And it's good. According to ball right now, number 12. Number 12. And there's a foul. Substitution. Foul number 0. First personal foul, number 0. Number 12 to number 23. Number 1, throws a 3. Pasok na naman yan. 3, foul! 63-56. Number 5. Number 5, floater shot, one goal. Rebound by number 3. Team rolling. Team rolling. Forcing the offense. Basket is good. Time out! Rolling. The score. 63-58. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Team Rolling. Back to the ball game. We only have 6 minutes 47 left in this last quarter of this game between Team Diesel and Team Rolling. And now, see number 10, Cruz, on the foot, and there's a foul committed by number 3. Number 3, third, personal foul. Number 40, inbounded the ball to number 0. And there's a foul committed by number 12. Rivera, baseline, 1-2, number 40. Floater shot, in and out, recovered, puts it in. Number 10. Nasa pito ang kalamangan, Vince Q by number 10 again. Number 10 to number 40. And there's a foul. This foul up. Double foul tayo. Number 8 is fouled. 23 is fouled.
8 warning to graduate.
Number 8, wanting to graduate forward. Personal foul. And I see number 29. Number 10, libre na, puts it in. 67-58 ang ating score. Diba, si Sham. Sham na rin malamangan. Yan na, libre. Rejected by number 11. Asa number 29. Number 29, nakita si number 10. Basket is good. Ayan ang Team Diesel. Hassles, steal by 29. Ang ganda ng pasa, ang ganda ng tira. Puts it. Timeout, Diesel. High score, 71-58. Time remaining 5 minutes, 34 seconds.
May isa pa po. Galing sa. Dapat hindi tayo natin. Oo nga. Dapat nag-request dito. Sunod. Idol. Idol!
Isa na lang ang timeout ng Team Diesel. Dalawa sa Rolling. Ayan na si number 1. Number 1, balikan number 1. Tumira ng press and there's a foul.
Number 14, second personal foul.
Number 14, second personal foul. And number 1, Supply. Five minutes, 26. Pasok ang pangalawang tira. And the third quarter is good. Ayan ang team rolling. Number 11 to number 29. Pulls the 3. One goal. Rebound by number. Ayan na si number 12. And there's a foul committed by number 11. Number 11, first personal foul. Number 12 to number 3. Back to number 12. Stepping the line violation. It's a violation again, stepping the line. Number 1 inbounded the ball, looking for an open man, finds number 3. Number 3, faking. Back to number 1. Number 1, back to number 3. Pulls the 3. Short. Rebound by number 12. Fakes. Umikot. Tumira. Sablay. Na-rebound na yan ni number 8. Number 8. Number 8 still behind the back. Dribble. Pulls the 3. Covered by number 14. And it's good. Number 1 pulls the 3, short, rebound by number 8 to number 14. Number 14 looking for an open man to number 29, penetrates, walang bola, single possession. Basket is good by number 14. Here is number 11, number 12. Number 12, hinaharas si number 11. Finds the wrong man. Nakita si number 8. Nakuha ang bola. Number 8, floater shot in and out. Rebound by number 12. Team Diesel. Number 12. Pass through. Number 1 is libre. Open. Pasok yan. 3 points. 2 minutes 27. As number 29 looking for his teammates against number 1. Number 29 naibit and a steal by number 3. Open. Pasok yan. Time out. 2 minutes. Timeout rolling. 2 minutes 11 seconds left in this last quarter. Our score 75-65. Gray team are still down by 10 points. Naghanda-handa na ang susunod na maglalaban from the Legend Division. Batya Selections versus Gwen Trans. Timbo in the middle. Number 8, number 10. Wala. And si number 3. Rejected.
Kaya yan. Dalawang game. Tigil isang oras, kaya.
Ayan na, si number 12. Number 12. Nawala ang bola, libre na. Si number 29. Pass pass number 8. Puts it in. And a steal by number 8 again. De Jesus, tumira ng 3 sword ang tira. Na-rebound yan ng Team Bizo. Team Bizo. Tumira ng 3. Sablay. Out of bounds. Substitution. 1 minute 22. Number 12, looking for an open man, finds number 29. Number 29, nakawala, pinasa ka number 40. Puts it in. Beautiful isolation and an assist made by number 29 to number 40. Ngayon na si number 1. Number 1.
1 minute.
Number 1 almost losing the ball. Finds number 23. Give it to number 3. Back to number 23. Puts it in.
57 seconds.
This is number 10. Basket is good. And 1 basketball. $81-67. We only have 48 seconds left. Lahat po ng team sa bench. Nag-silver tayo, mga idol. Substitution, pasok na. Substitution. Numbers 11 and number 9. Number 10. Pasok. There's number 3. Number 3 lays up, puts it in.
40 seconds.
40 seconds. Libre na naman, number 10. Basket is good. Numira ng 3. Rondo. Rebound. Number 12. Wala. Pinagbigyan. And it's good. Numira ng 3. Number 29. Wala yan. And that ends